Yesterday we dealt with the lesson Reach for the Top, Santosh Yadav, the story of Santosh Yadav. She reached the apex of the Mount Everest twice and hence created a history. Today we are going to deal with the same lesson, part 2, which describes about Maria Sharapova. So let us begin about Maria Sharapova. Maria Sharapova reached the top position in women's tennis on August 22nd, 2005 at the age of 18. She was poor. She was born in Siberia, Russia. Her father sent her to the United States for training at the age of 9. At the small age of 9, Maria Sharapova was sent to America in order to have training of tennis. So if you want to achieve success, you should work hard enough from the early age to make your dream come true. She had stayed alone as her mother could not accompany her due to visa problem. While coming from Russia, Siberia, Russia to America, visa of the mother of Maria Sharapova cannot be met. Hence, her mother cannot accompany Maria. Separation from her mother was a great sacrifice for a 9-year-old girl, and hence a 9-year-old girl has been segregated, has been separated from her beloved mother. But she was determined to achieve her goal at any cost. But if you want to make your dream true, you have to lose something. You cannot have everything. हर किसी को मुकम्मल जहां नहीं मिलता, किसी को आसमां मिलता है तो किसी को जमीन नहीं मिलता. Okay. She had to follow a strict timetable. If you want to achieve success, you should pay heed to your time. Don't waste your time. She used to go to bed at 8 p.m. Early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Maria Sharapova used to follow this maxim. Okay. But the other senior players used to wake her up at 11 p.m. and ordered her to clean the room. There is ragging problem. Maria used to sleep at 8 p.m. but the senior of hers used to wake her up at 11 p.m. and she was forced to clean her room. Okay, and it is customary to obey the words of the senior. If you do not obey or if you do not mix up with those people, you cannot survive. Okay. It made her more determined and strong. So every adversity she changes into opportunity. It was her style. She knew that what she wanted and hence she worked hard enough in order to achieve her goal. It was her strong determination and hard work that put her on the top of the world. She was #1 tennis player and hence she reached at the height of success. And there is a wonderful proverb that there is no crowd at the top. Whatever study you pursue, you should be excellent in that. No one should be at par with you. Hence, you will become successful. Maria spent her prime time in the United States of America, but she is proud of being Russian. She is a teenage sensation. She takes interest in fashion, singing and dancing. Fashion designing, singing, dancing, all these were her hobby. She loves reading novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. She likes the writings of Arthur Conan Doyle. Becoming #1 in the world is the dream that keeps her going on. And she believes that money is a motivation. Whenever she wins the game and she gets a prize and she receives check amount, she used to say that money is a great motivation. Everybody should be given money if he does something worthwhile or if she does something worthwhile. Okay. Now we will discuss the theme of the two stories, Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova. These two stories are about hard work and determination of the two courageous ladies named Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova. These stories fill our heart with a desire that nothing is impossible. Even the word impossible says, I am possible. It is up to us how we realize our dream and achieve them with pure hard work. Hard work and determination are required to make you successful. The single-minded determination and dedication help us to overcome all the hurdles and emerge as a winner. Quitters never win and winners never quit. There is a word perseverance. Perseverance means to do the work till it is not completed. So perseverance can be regarded as a key to success. Santosh Yadav from a small village of Haryana scaled the Mount Everest. Scaled means to climb up. Scaled the Mount Everest twice at the age of 20. And Maria Sharapova has become the world famous tennis player. Their dedication means Maria's dedication and Santosh's dedication and determination made the role models for others to follow. So they led their life in such a way that others can copy their style. Okay, and everybody salutes the rising sun. Now, what is the message delivered by these two stories? The life of Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova is full of messages. They have taught the woman that they are not inferior. Previously, long time ago, women were confined within the four walls of the room. But now women are at par with men. Even in some of the fields, women are much ahead of men. Okay. They have the capability, they means women, have the capability to do what men have achieved. They also teach them that hurdles are bound to come in our way of success. When you do something or when you perform a work, some problem will be faced. But if you are determined, you will overcome that problem and you will become successful. Life is not a bed of roses, it is full of thorns, or we can say mixture of roses and thorns. However, with the help of our willpower, patience and determination, we can make our life glorious. Means we can achieve our goal. Only if we achieve our goal, if we become prosperous, if we become respectful, only then our life can be glorious. Now let us have the justification of the title. The whole story revolves around the character of Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova, the story of reaching for the top. It reveals courage, firm determination and hard work, rendered by Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova. कुछ किए बिना यूं ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Which proved a boon for their success. They worked hard, they become successful, hence their work proved a boon for them. Their self-reliance is excellent. Santosh decided to try her luck in mountaineering and was successful. On the other hand, Maria Sharapova decided to become the best tennis player. She did so. The hurdles in their path did not depress them. They wanted to reach to the top in their respective fields and they did that. They achieved that. So the title is quite appropriate. So this was the explanation of the lesson Maria Sharapova reaching for the top. Thank you. Have a nice day.